Hey everyone, today we are going to go over the steps on how to add additional accounts from your previous wallet after doing Restore Wallet in Klever K5. So number one, open the Klever app. Now press the tab Portfolio in the bottom bar. Hit the plus sign at the top right. On the new screen, click the option Restore Account. Now choose which blockchain you want to restore accounts for. We are going to restore an additional account we previously created with this seed phrase on the Klever blockchain. Now select the number of wallets of that specific blockchain that needs to be restored from your 12-word seed phrase. You can also choose to name this restored account if you so wish. Your previous additional accounts have now been restored, and you can do this with all other blockchains that you've added accounts to in your previous wallet. See you next time and have a fantastic day.